Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a tip for cleaning and storing your fruit. I've been doing this for the past 2 years and it has been really helpful to prevent waste and keep my fruit fresh. Let's get started. All right, you guys, so for the first step, in a large bowl, I just add some cold water and apple cider vinegar. I dump my blueberries in. I make sure they are completely, submerged in the water, and then I swirl them around a little bit and let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to strain and rinse them under cold water just to get the rest of that vinegar solution off. And then I'll transfer them to my salad spinner. So I'll use the salad spinner just to shake off any excess moisture and then transfer them to a large bowl lined with a paper towel, and I let them sit for about 30 minutes to air dry. And for the last and final step, once these berries are completely dry, I'm going to transfer them to a glass container, which I've also lined with a paper towel, and then I'll store them in my refrigerator. Completing all of these steps will help to keep your blueberries fresh and prevent them from molding. I find that they last for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. If you're visual like me and you want to see how to wash some additional fruit, you can check out my video on strawberries right here. Thanks for watching, you guys.